Namaste. In this video, I'm going to deploy a virtual machine on Microsoft Azure. Okay, so let's get started. And yeah, if you have in doubt like how to create Microsoft Azure account for free, like you can create an account, student account from GitHub, or you can create an account with the credit card. In the GitHub option, there is no requirement on credit card or anything, but you need a GitHub Pro account, which will you get from your college email ID. Okay, so let's get started. So here is my portal, Microsoft Azure. We have to click on virtual machines, or you can search here virtual machine. This one. Okay, virtual machines. Okay, so you can see here like I have one virtual machine running. You can see it. To create, you can click this option, create here. The first option, Azure virtual machine. Okay. Okay. So like this one. Now you can create a resource group here. Okay. A resource group means you can like create a resource group, assign all your like virtual machine, storage account, everything in the same resource group. And whenever you delete that resource group, the all items in the resource group, like your virtual machine, your storage account, everything will be deleted. Okay. So this is like for our ease. Okay. So I will be creating new virtual resource group with the name of test. Okay, so like create new test. Okay, so I created a test resource group. Now I will name my virtual machine as test only. So Central India, you can choose anyone from it. Okay. Now availability zone, like this means they will create a copy of your virtual machines at any other place. Okay, like for any regions, if the one data center is destroyed or anything else happened, you will have an option to recover your data files from another virtual machine. If like there are many users coming on your website, then you can like divide the traffic to both servers. Okay, if it like you can divide server traffic to like 3 4 whatever the options there, you can do that. Okay, but we will choosing this option, no infrastructure agency required. So like creating only one virtual machine. Okay, you can select anyone, standard, trusted, virtual, over to you. Now you can select Ubuntu server 2022 or anything else, whatever you want to try. So now this one, standard BS1 1 GB memory 640. This means like in this size, like there is a free service eligible. That means like you will get the 750 hours of free. So you can try that. Like you can see here, B1S free service eligible. That is VMs are free for the first 750 hours. Like you can use for 750 hours for free. Okay, so we will be using this. You can check anyone, but as per configuration, the cost may rise. Okay, so like we are trying and testing. So I will recommend you go with this one. Okay, first, yeah, make sure after your trial is like you have tested everything, delete it. Okay, or else you will get the bill of at the end of month of using your virtual machine. Okay, so like we have selected this machine. Now SIS public key or password. I'm going to with this I'm going with this option test, and my password will be these are words. Okay, test 12. Okay, test 12. Now I will create here like password. Okay, so you can create any password. Now this port, like your web server will be open to SSH only, HTTPS, HTTP. We can select all. Okay, and we are going to access this server with SSH only. So we require this username and password. Next text. You can increase the size of this disk, but with the extra features, you will have to pay extra. Okay, so we are testing. We will be doing the like whatever is pre-configured. Okay, now in networking, we have option to create like IP addresses, subnet, and everything else. So now this configuration will create new public IP for you. Okay, now we will go to review plus create and create our virtual machine. Okay, so in review plus create page, we can see validation is passed at the top here. So now we have to click on this create button and our virtual machine will be created. It will take some time. Previous one, like I have deployed my website, this website like wg2.in on the that previous Doubtly server. Okay, like you have seen this one. Basically, this is a link shortener, and you can see this. This is a code, Python code we are going to run on our server. So like I'm shortening this URL. So here you can see this is the URL, like short URL. Okay. Now our deployment is complete. We'll go to this resource button, like go to resource. Yeah, we got an IP address here. Now we will log in via SSH. So make sure you open your command prompt, or if you are in Linux, open your terminal, or you can like download Git Bash. Okay, so I'm going with command prompt. Like to log into your server, you need SSH, like your user ID, at the rate server, like this IP address, enter. Now this will like send some like yes or no, like we authorize, yes, enter. Like you have to now enter password. So I successfully like log in our server. So we will like sudo su to get go to the root user sudo su. So now I'm the root. Now I need to update and upgrade everything. So like apt update and apt upgrade. Now this will also take some time, like 1 to 2 minutes. Well, this all going on the cloud, so there is nothing to be like your to like on your PC. Okay, everything is going on the server. So progress 7%. Like this will complete it. Okay. So let me show you my cloud panel. Like I have also installed a cloud panel. Like here, you can see this. Well, I can't log in here. Okay, let it be. I will show in another video, or we'll create another video on how to install cloud panel and everything else. Okay. I guess this is completed. Wait a second. Okay, outlet libraries. Okay, just Intel. Okay, like here. Now, like we will create an app.py to create our like run our Flask app. So we will create nano app.py enter. So simply we'll copy paste our code from here like this. Copying it. Now going here, pasting it. Okay. Now I will save it. Okay, done. Now I will run this app. Well, in Ubuntu, the Python is pre-installed. Okay, so don't need to configure it. Python 3 app.py. Now this will not run because we don't have Flask. Okay, we have to install Flask. How we install Flask? Like pip 3 I Flask. But we don't have pip also. Though like it will not install it. We have to install first pip. So how to install pip? Like you're just going to search it on Google. How to install pip in Python. Python get pip.py. Okay. On Ubuntu. Ubuntu. They did not everything. So we will be tip 3 5 3. Now we will click on here. Sudo click. Now copy. So like we have done with like installation of pip 3. Now we will be installing Flask. After that we will run our app and we'll run. So let us install this. Okay. So like we have installed pip. Now we'll be installing Flask. Command I. Okay. So guys, we will be here like how to install Flask in Python with pip. Cycles we will get a command like pip install Flask. Okay. No I. We have to write complete pip 3 install Flask. So like done. Python 3 app.py. Okay. So we started our app and it will be running right now. Like we will, this is our we will copy it 8,000. I guess 8,000 it is or running on 502. Okay, 502. So we'll be open the 502, but we have blocked like we have opened only three port SSH, HTTPS. Okay, so we have to open 502 port also. So we will go to networking. So I'm going to networking, and here I will add an inbound like add inbound port rule, and I will open this. Okay, so like I will open 5002 port. Like you can open all port, okay, there is no problem with that, but everyone will be able to access. So now this will take at least 30 seconds to replicate there. Also, we have opened our port number 55002. 5002. Where it is? 340. Okay, let me reload it. I guess this will port 5002. Or you can allow like every port. Okay, there is no problem with that. Like here, add inbound import rule, and you can allow from 0 to complete like 65535 and add it there. Okay, I guess the 30 seconds is over and it might be able to. Yeah, so we have deployed our Python Flask web app here. Okay, you can see it here, right? Now we have deployed our Python app, we have created our virtual machine. So I will delete my this server virtual machine. Okay, so like we have created a resource group, right? So you can check here resource groups, and we have test resource group. We'll go here, and you can see an option delete resource group. Click on there, and you will be able to delete everything. Okay, so you can like apply force delete for selected virtual machines, copy it, resource group name, delete. Now it will delete your resource groups. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe it, and in the next video we are going to install cloud panel.